Tired of dust, scratches, and unpredictable weather damaging your car? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best car covers on Amazon that can protect your vehicle inside and out. From waterproof materials to durable stitching, I'll break down what makes each cover a smart buy, and I'll be honest about the pros and cons so you can choose the right fit. Let's jump in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Came 6 Layers Car Cover Waterproof. The Came 6 Layers car cover is a solid choice for anyone looking to protect their vehicle from rain, sun, dust, and UV damage. Its 6-layer construction provides excellent durability, while the waterproof and all-weather design ensures your car stays safe in both heavy rain and strong sunlight. The zipper cotton access is convenient for checking or accessing your vehicle without fully removing the cover. It fits most sedans well, thanks to the 3XL universal sizing. One downside is that it can be a bit tricky to handle alone due to its weight, especially during windy conditions. Overall, it's a dependable protective solution for your car. Number 2. My second best pick. Easyshade 10-Layer Car Cover Waterproof. The Easyshade 10-Layer Car Cover is a robust and reliable option for keeping your vehicle protected in all weather conditions. Its 10-layer construction offers excellent durability, shielding your car from rain, sun, dust, and minor scratches. The waterproof design keeps your car dry during heavy rain, while the lightweight yet strong material makes it easy to handle. The cover comes with a size chart, helping ensure a snug fit for sedans, SUVs, and hatchbacks. One downside is that it can be slightly cumbersome to put on alone, especially on larger vehicles. Overall, it's a durable, all-weather solution for long-term car protection. Number 3. My third best pick. Motor Trend Safekeeper Heavy-Duty Car Cover. The Motor Trend Safekeeper Heavy-Duty Car Cover is a dependable choice for protecting trucks, SUVs, and larger vehicles from harsh weather. Its multi-layered design provides excellent resistance against snow, rain, sun, and UV damage, keeping your vehicle safe year-round. The waterproof material is durable yet flexible, and the cover's generous sizing accommodates vehicles up to 210-inch in length. It's also designed for a snug fit that helps prevent wind from lifting it. One downside is that it can be somewhat bulky and heavy, making it a bit tricky to handle alone. Overall, it's a strong, all-weather solution for long-term vehicle protection. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Came 7 Layers SUV Car Cover Custom Fit. The Came 7 Layers SUV car cover is an excellent choice for Subaru Outback owners looking for reliable all-weather protection. Its custom fit for 1994 to 2025 models ensures full coverage without excess material, while the 7-layer construction provides durability against rain, sun, UV rays, and dust. The waterproof design keeps your vehicle dry during heavy storms, and the soft inner lining protects the paint from scratches. One downside is that it can be a bit snug in tight spots, making installation slightly challenging for some users. Overall, it's a high-quality, long-lasting car cover that offers peace of mind and superior protection. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. Gunhigh 16 Layers Car Cover Waterproof. The 16 Layers car cover is a heavy-duty, all-weather solution for protecting your vehicle from sun, rain, dust, and minor scratches. Its 16-layer construction offers exceptional durability, making it ideal for long-term outdoor use. The waterproof and UV-resistant material ensures your car stays safe in harsh weather conditions, while the universal fit works well for a range of vehicles, from Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro to Audi A4 and BMW 5 Series. One downside is that the cover can be quite bulky and heavy, which may make handling and installation challenging for a single person. Overall, it's a robust and reliable option for serious car protection. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite car covers? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.